Today I'm going to be reviewing the Feng Shui Serum. This is amazing. It has about 8 different oils in it. 3 to mention is jojoba oil, coconut oil, castor oil, just to name a few that's in it. So what I wanted to do is show you how I use my oil. I put it in the palm of my hands, and then I go ahead and part my hair into sections and just oil my scalp all the way through. This is amazing. It's very light. It's not greasy, even though it has 8 different oils in it. It's very light, and it actually has grown my hair out about 2 inches, and I love it. And then what I also do is I take a little bit more in the palm of my hands, rub it all together, and go back and forth and rub it all through. This stuff keeps it moisturized, and it smells amazing. It is great. Also, one other thing I do with it is I use it as a hot oil treatment. And some of it, put it on my scalp as I showed you before. Put a plastic bag over my head or plastic cap. Sit under the dryer or do household chores. Do whatever it is that you usually do for a deep conditioning. And it works amazing. I rinse it, wash my hair as usual, and then put a little bit more on after for normal style. Enjoyed this review. Recommend it to anyone. It's a must-have. You cannot find this on the market. It's a Feng Shui Serum, and I hope you pick you up some.